Hello guys, so welcome to Aknot Media Global YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you on how to design a stunning birthday flyer that you're actually seeing on your screen. So follow through. The first thing we need to do is to set our drawing board. So, so 4 by 5, 400 resolution, 56, so 0. So let's import a picture of the celebrant. Duplicate this, see how it works. Yeah, so the next is our background. Pretty quick. So we're going to blur the background a little bit. So just go to filter and blur from below this Gaussian blur. That actually reminds me of Gaussian blur in further maths or engineering mathematics. Yeah, so increase a little. So increase it a little bit. This is actually okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, so the next thing is to make a gradients, start with black and maybe brown. Yeah. So let's check screen. Yeah, something like this. Okay, so guys, the next thing is to add ribbon. Yeah, so I can actually send this to maybe to a Google Drive and send the link in the description. And let's this. Yeah, let's duplicate and flip vertical and up here. Then enter. See, let's try to stretch it with this at so we have it, so we can have it at the right position. soft light and use. And group this title. So it's actually okay. Now on to the happy birthday. Let's something that okay. So let's say let's go down. Let's type our name and using Oxford. Yeah. So then we get the happy birthday Ctrl G. Okay, so let's write a message to her like a greeting, prayer, and all. So, and we want to say, Mama, thank you for being such an amazing mentor to many beginners, testimonies, women for days. Okay, so we want to use the blending option now. Yeah, so I'm trying to ensure that the field color is actually out of it, so I would just have only the stroke color, and then I just want to change this. Yeah, so I want to change the outline to the orange color. Why, I'm going to let the fill color to be brown. You understand? So I actually duplicated the Mama General, the text. Yeah, so now I have this. The one at the upper side, I have it to be the brown, while the one at the lower, which is behind the Mama General, because it's actually two text. You understand? So now I increased the stroke, the other text which has the stroke. So still the same word, which is a Mama General. You understand? So I just had to increase the distance to just be around it. You understand? So now I'm going to reduce the opacity. That's for the stroke color. So for this happy birthday, I'm going to maybe just play around it. Yeah. So it tends to reduce the opacity a little bit for the stroke. So now back to the happy birthday. I'm thinking maybe this font is actually okay. Yeah, it's okay by me. Yeah, so now I want to increase the 3 altogether. Okay. Okay, so on to the next one. I'm going to be adding this water icon. So just like a water splash icon. Yeah, so then I'm going to duplicate. Yeah, so I've duplicated it, and just to make the design to look more unique. Yeah, so definitely I'm going to add this probably be the link in the description below, yeah, for you to have access to it and download. Yeah, yeah, so I'm going to increase it a little bit. Yeah, I think this is actually okay. Okay, so I want to add you know So this is actually a constant thing that I actually do most times, to just put a brand logo is for Acme Media Global. So this is more like having my brand logo on every design that goes out. So and now I added long life and prosperity in Jesus name underneath, and yeah, I think this is actually okay by me. Yeah.